This is the final project for Andrew Cat for the Flatiron Academy. I've got a stock related application here. So this is the home page, and so if we just quickly go through, there's some instructions here, which is the about page. That's also here on the nav bar. There's home on the nav bar, and then login also on the nav bar. You can sign up for a new account, or you don't have to log in to look up a stock, which is also on the nav bar. The stock data is the data from the stock lookup, so they're related. So here on the stock lookup, you can type in a company name or partial name, and it'll pull up a list, and then click on that and get the ticker down here, or you can just type in whatever you want for a ticker. And then here you can specify the date range. It just defaults to 30 days, and you can change that if you'd like. So click here to get stock data. It takes a few minutes to get that from the API, and then here it pulls in data about the company, some statistical data about their stock highs and lows and their market cap, and then it pulls the data into this candlestick chart format from AM chart, so you can view each day and the opening, closing prices. You can also zoom in on a specific period and then zoom back out. So that's the stock data, and that data will be there. Like if you go to the home page, you can go back to stock data, and that data will still be there. You can look up another stock, and then it will replace that stock data. So if you log in, and I've just got my info pre-selected here, then there's a couple components get added to the nav bar and to the home page. There's watch lists, which enables you to keep track of a list of stocks without having to type it in or remember them. And then there's this daily view, which allows you to look at the stock data in a table format. So we'll look at that in a moment. So like watch lists, if you click on that, you can add watch lists, and I've got two set up here, so you can view the stocks that are already in there, and you can add a stock if you want. So this can actually be added, like if we remove Microsoft, go back to stock data, you can also add to a watch list here. So then if we go back to watch list, you can see where it's been added. If we want to view the chart and the price data for something on the watch list, then you can just click view detail. It'll request that data and then update with the new data. And then if we go back to watch lists, you can actually see where it's pulled in the latest price data on that. And then another feature that's really nice is the daily view. So that enables you, what you do is you select a watch list, and then you select it's a 3-day range, so it'll pull in price data for a 3-day period. So you can select pretty much any 3 days that you want, and notice that it only selects weekdays. So if you select, let's say, a Saturday, it'll jump to the Friday before, and then these dates will be Monday and Tuesday. So it defaults to automatically jumping to a weekday. So if we select those dates, actually that's over a holiday, so let me select these dates here where you can see it automatically pulled the weekdays. Let's get our data. Sometimes it takes a bit longer. Okay, so once it has that, for every stock that's in this main watch list, it'll pull in their stock price on the first day, which is the 26th, second day, and third day, and then it'll calculate like the change in the stock price and the percentage change. So you can look at that for each day, and then there's a total for that period, for that 3-day period. So Boeing, for example, went up almost 5% over that 3-day period, but you can see that they went up a lot on day 2 and down some on day 3. So anyway, it's useful for spotting short-term trends if you want to see, like, is a stock going down 3 days in a row or going up 3 days in a row. And so we can also view our user data and change that. So if I want to do here, you have to put in your password. If you don't enter a password, it gives you a message. And you can't change your password, you can just validate. It just validates that you're really the user that you said you are, and then it'll change your name. So and then if you log out, it just resets everything, so there's no more watch list. And if you want to sign up a new account, you can here. All right, thanks for checking it out.